Hi, everybody. I want to show you how to access the TBR online course for accessibility provided by Phillip Voorhees, okay? And here it is. I'm going to click over here in my Internet Explorer and type in elearn.tbronline.org. See that? Okay. I click on it and that should launch that course, okay? So here we go, elearn.tbronline.org, okay? And this is the landing page. And what we're going to do here is, see over here it says if you're registering for TBR employee training, you must self-register. So I'm going to show you how to self-register to access the training for accessibility provided by the TBR and Phillip Voorhees, okay? So what you have to do is you have to click on external registration, and anybody can do that, okay? And then you can, it says registration form, select one of the following. I have an existing username and password. I do not. So choose the one that's applicable. Chances are majority of y'all will not have one. So we'll go here and then we'll go submit, okay? And when you click on submit, here's a list of all the courses offered by TBR. But the main one we're interested in is the very first one, accessibility training course. So I'm going to click on accessibility training course, all right? And this is how it comes up with the description. And all you have to do is click on this button and say register and enter the register information. Notice the things with the fields with the red asterisk are the ones that you need to fill in. So let's say I'm helping Kay register. So I'm going to put her name in, Kaye, and I'm going to put in MCGUFFEY, Kay McGuffey. Email is kaye.mcguffey at CHATTANOGA state.edu. All right, and that's all I need. The reason why I'm using K is because I am already registered, okay? So I'll just use her. And I'm going to click on submit. And the moment I do that, then it comes up with this finish. And I go to finish. And what will happen is, see, it says account created. Your account has been created. Confirmation will be sent to you in the email address you specified. And this is the temporary password, okay? And she has to log in as k.mcguffey. And then this is the password. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to right click, copy it. All right. And I'm going to say login now. So I'm going to log in as k.mcguffey. So I'm going to log in as k.mcguffey. Okay. And then I'm going to type, paste that password, that temporary password in here. And then when I log in, it will automatically, aha! See how cool this is? And now I'm in the accessibility training course provided by Phillip Voorhees, okay? I can go to the course content over here. And here is all the beautiful, the wonderful course content that Phillip Voorhees has painstakingly assembled for us. So for all TBR schools to use, okay? And there's a lot of information in here, all right? If I go back to the start of the course again, I forgot to tell y'all a few things. Uh, See over here, it says Accessibility Training Course, Phillip Voorhees. He's the Tennessee eCampus Accessibility Training Accessibility Specialist, okay? And then Todd Blankenbeckler is for the Western region. Jimmy Williams, Middle region, and Alice Wershing, East region, accessibility specialists. So all these four are available for us. So if we need to have them, to call them or talk to them, then why we can do that, okay? Um, and so that is something I wanted to share with y'all. And then what I can do is I can go in and change my password and change it to something that I can remember. Okay, so if I go to account settings, okay, I can go to account settings and change my password in there from the temporary password. See, to if I click on change password, I can change the password to the permanent password. Okay, I'd have to click tap in the old password, tap in the new password, and then everything. I'm not going to do that right now, but see how cool this is. And here is the entire accessibility training course. So if I click back on this accessibility training course, I'm back in there. And then if I go to course content, uh, here is all the course content. Okay. And there is an awful lot of materials in here, okay? Uh, and you need to go through these carefully, but the most useful I've found is creating accessible documents, okay? Talks about Word, other document resources, and there's a lot of information. There's 17 different subtopics in here, okay? 12 in under Word and 12 under other. So if I click on like Word, MS Word, then you will see all the modules under that. Okay, it talks about document structure, word headings. There's a lot of information provided. Okay, and then if you go over here, other document resources, under that, you see all this accessible syllabus, Adobe PDF, PowerPoint files and accessibility, file formats. And if you click on that, why under that you have a bunch of other topics also available. Okay, so all right, and see here is the Tennessee accessible syllabus Word example, Tennessee eCampus accessible syllabus HTML example, and stuff like that. Okay. Um, uh, all right. So, and there's all kinds of videos and stuff available. Okay. So please make use of all this information, and that pretty much concludes what I wanted to share with y'all, and that is it, folks. So thank you, and I'm gonna stop this. Thank you. Bye.